You can make a pretzel pillow by finding some scrap fabric or an old pillowcase and cutting it open so that it's at its longest length. Trim it down and fold it in half so that it ends up being a very narrow and long sleeve. Set your machine to a straight stitch and your preferred length. Reverse stitch at the beginning and end, and sew the entire sleeve on the open edge. A wider width will give you a fluffier theater pretzel, whereas a narrow width will give you more of a snack pretzel. Once you have your sleeve, sew one of the ends closed, and begin to stuff it with cotton or any cotton-like material you might have. This can even include more scrap fabric. Sew the other end closed, take the two ends and twist them into the shape of the pretzel. Pin them in place and hand sew them down. No pretzel is complete without a little bit of salt, and that can be done by cutting out little squares from any white fabric. And there you have a handmade pretzel pillow.